Yo, it's your boy Bamz, a.k.a. BamBoy, and we're just out here, man, freestyling, and this is my ZoneOut session. You know, it's death, man, it's death.
Hey, oh yeah, tell him who they talk, guy. Wait, make I tell him who they chop, guy. Wait, that skinny nigga, but now me they chop pass. I take your lady nigga, only she got class. My niggas boom me, all because I know one do G. Hey, believe in yourself, it's all you should do, G. But now they say you so broke, your girl is so pretty. I tell them despite of the reasons I moved down to Giddy. So now I'm making money with these evil men. See them praying for my downfall, all these evil men. Jet Li, getting money nigga, such a cakewalk. Me and the mic talking nigga, that's the cake talk, yeah. See I ride with few niggas, boy. True. And I'll die for those niggas, boy. I'm talking Nifty, talking Woski, talking Sasuke, boy. I'm talking Kizzy, talking whatever, boy. Fuck with no dick to it. The P clean, nigga suck it with no plug to it. Damn, I'm high, you can tell I flow stupid. But I don't care, bros, cause I know I'm so stupid. Getting high is all normal to me. That being on my mind, guy, oh lord, is abnormal to me. Just tell him, say, guy, nothing do me. And play me a beat, my nigga, and watch me run into it. This nigga's lying to me, saying I'm a god, nigga. If I'm a god, why do I have a creator, nigga? So I'm flawless. Niggas complaining like what I came into your city with, smoking Jamaican. Girlfriend sounds whack when she speaks English. Oh lord, you remind me of Olamide. Hey. Free my niggas on the track, but my niggas all smart. You can never find no one in J. Pause that. Nigga, what do we that? Nigga, pass the weed that pop that, then puff back, then you pop back. Let me smoke to the point where the bad with the phone. My nigga, I swear that I love 2 packs back. Who said that? Who said that? Too many problems, can't see them with these Ray-Bans. And all my niggas know I'm giving y'all straight bags. Straight bags, man, like 50 cents or more. I don't see many men. So right now someone recording me. I think his name is Ben. Fuck it. Yeah, yo nigga know the way I'm doing, nigga. So lucky like that nigga from my stick, nigga. Everybody know I'm high, no liquor. Fuck with me, I make your like shot like you wearing a knicker. Damn man, we ain't gonna talk bros. Wait, now my name now, yeah, they gonna talk bros. I don't know you done the ball for your broadcast. Yeah, like that DJ for the dance, I just get full cost.
Yo niggas, and spay my new singles coming out real soon. I've got them in the studio, but they're gonna be dropping in a couple of months, so it's not gonna be up to 2 months. Y'all niggas shouldn't wait that long, no man. So y'all niggas and spay that shit. It's gonna be death.
Hey, what's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Jimmy B representing Awesome Express Music. Don't forget to subscribe to FreemeTV.